story, you would have more accept and appreciate them glory. Real. We smile, we ball, we rise.
Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. So today's video I'll be talking about the policeman that caught on camera eating the puff. Yes guys, before you guys go into this video, please remember to like, comment, subscribe and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend about Life with Corey Goodas. So yes, anyway, what do you think about the policeman when you eat the buff? More I know no thoughts on this. More to put in the comment section. What's your thoughts on the policeman eating the buff on it? Do you think that he was supposed to lost his job? Or do you think him should just go on suspension or whatever? But guys, on the next note, why them people that are Jamaica they go and like say nobody at Jamaica not eat the meat? Wanna tell me? Let me make you get a little part of the clip. I'm not show no video or nothing, you know, but also make no ears in the background, right?
Ice cream. What kind of flavor? Tell himself.
Basically what he's saying, allegedly the policeman tried to kill himself.
Put it.
But this lady like she ready to put out a Rasta man to take in the ice cream.
Why
Man.
you? Me a make space down a yard. See, a matter of fact, me put out the Rasta man with me tonight. Space a make down your face so you can come. Now listen to a bagger man them where run off them out. I choose for them tape no release yet. Enough of them do it.
You run too much joke.
We woman love.
Hey, you know, so when me younger, you know, I hear people say, policeman. I've never dated a policeman because I don't like Jamaican police. I'm not gonna lie. I don't like them. I don't like Jamaican police. I don't like them. Because that's the people that do things, you know. But me still not go crucify him because of that. Me a back him on the one here. But me not like Jamaican police. Most of them I don't like them. Because them advantage people in the ghetto. Let me tell you something. Growing up in the ghetto, it would have come like say, it's like living here and people they say them afraid because them child have my skin color and not this color. You know? In Jamaica, when police come in the ghetto, it's coming like say the ghetto is black and the rest of area is white. Listen, me like every race. I have no problem. I'm not racist. I'm not against nobody. But what am I gonna say? Me see police from them serious. If you just stand up all your gate and them a pass, them have to jump out. Them have to grab you up. You ever get for them? This is just a beating for them. You understand? An internet beating for them just for all of what they do to people. But at the end of the day, I'm still sorry for the policeman. I never want him to lose his job. You understand? That's my thoughts. But we witness police do so much evil to people. You understand? Look at young boy them will just come and them take them up and them throw them in a van back, them drive up and down with them, then they let them go. You hear man them will say, hey, you know them when the boy them come back, they will say, hey, me say have me and him drive me all about, you know. Drive the stop and a search. Those things are ridiculous. But anyway, me not stray from the point when we really come for talk about. With Rama Razor now. So you know, I try to tell me say with everybody at Jamaica they look out. Cause it look like everybody, most people, most man, if a matter of fact. Cause it have woman at back him, but they look out say, oh, they don't want them talking in face. I'm hear woman say, cause I read comments where females say, them don't want the police them talking in them face because them do XYZ. What I am saying is, if you ask every woman in Jamaica, or in the world, or let me not say every woman, let me say 95% of the women in the world, have you ever get the buff eaten? What do you think the answer is going to be? It's going to be yes. Turn to the males. Have you ever get the eggplant eaten? or suck or whatever I want to call it. All these males are going to say yes. So then who they do all of them something there? Is it the policeman alone? Who that we listen, would I be surprised? When I say that Trinidad didn't have this girl, I know, she was Jamaican and she married to a policeman. But she'd have a man before the policeman. You understand? And the policeman she said it. She said she did have this man, and the man just done the buff. You understand? And she said when them go to a party, and them I say, for me know you never whatever, for you never eat the buff. You must have. For you never eat the buff. I mean the buff. For who don't understand what I'm saying, the vagina. When I put up on her hand and she said, listen man. Remember, she said the man eat it before him come at the party, The man lick it up before she come at the party. And she said, even at the party, and I'm a she said, she look at him and I say, you know what I'm going to say? Him not have to go on so, and him know say him eat. You don't have to put up your hand, Selector go talk because of them jabber. You don't have to put up your hand. You understand? So enough of them will say a scream out. And because enough of them they fret because they don't know a video they with them too. Because enough of them a video will go leak, So when you leak out for the man, enough of them I eat. You understand? A lot of them eating the buff. So I don't want to come and beat the man like I don't want the man to commit suicide. Come on man, the man don't lose him job already. And you can say him just want to look idiot freaky police. I don't think say him one of them one day will get trouble. Like one of them one day will just like grown and eat. Cause look how him look, you see how female wife just beat him. I don't want him losing work, but I want the wife to just time up and beat him. Because look, I'm not even, I want to look up. I say, it have some careless something going for him, what do you see, man? I'm not even, I want to look right in hotel room or something, or one bed or something. Look, I'm cutting at the car. Right between the little sides. You can see my professional car eater too. I not beat him. But I beat him for the reason him have a wife. That's why I'm disappointed. And he maybe never yet eat the wife buff. That would be one thing when me don't want to know. So I can know if I stop back him. Because if him never eat the wife buff yet, and they rather eat buff, I'm not sorry for him. My son dread down. I saw it go. I feel sorry for the wife. I'm gonna be honest. I feel sorry for her. You say when you catch him do something like with a female, I don't really feel bad. But the fact say, how would you feel? Like he's feeling hurt, likewise his wife. His wife maybe feel worse than him. So people have to be careful. Have to be careful what to do if hurt people. Because your video, the girl will do that, to send out the video, she's wicked. Even though she and she, but me think that she. Because I don't think he would have sent out his own video for himself. Unless he's planning to do something different. But I don't think that. But as I am saying is, sometimes we do some things in our life thinking we are going to hurt this person. But it hurt beyond the person. If a person have a child, imagine if you have kids. Imagine if you have kids. You know how those kids feel? Plus, him wife don't have to feel away. Despite the fact say he cheat on her. You could imagine you see your man that eat vagina. You could imagine you see your man, much less your husband, that eat vagina pan camera with it circulate all over the world. Maybe America, and that happened at Jamaica. And I was disgusted watching it. The reason why I'm disappointed in the police too, because they have an uniform. And despite the fact that Jamaican police wicked, you must respect on the uniform. Respect the uniform. Me not like the idea so them him never respect the uniform. You understand? Him supposed to respect the uniform. That me I beat him for that. But me never want him losing job. I hope him get back him job. If I say want to put him on back line, because enough man I eat. Don't be afraid. I not bottom them ketchup on. You understand? People that get ketchup on bottom much this and them not winning him there. Listen to me. Me no business how people live them life, you know. Whether if them want this away or that way, I don't care. You understand? But not kill yourself because your ears say, because you get ketchup on camera. You didn't know say you gonna do it. You do it, you know. It's not like you don't do it. You cannot return the fact say it come out. Can you change it? No, you cannot change it. So why you gonna kill yourself for? Why you gonna beat yourself for? Does it make sense? No, it doesn't. So cheer up, my brother, because you didn't know say you gonna eat ice cream cake, a rum or a raisin. You didn't know say you gonna eat it. So why you gonna kill yourself when video come out? And you know say she have video too. You know she did a video. You understand? And the girl she and about her neither. Because she sent for her something all over the world too. She never cared neither. If she sent it out, she never cared. If I really she sent it out, allegedly. If she sent it out, she don't care because she has show her front. You know? But people not careful on the hurt people. Because that, I'm sure his wife get hurt by it. Not only that he's cheated, but I know she gonna feel cut up because she gonna say, Lord, my husband catch her do this. And then take a lick her. They say, look what I do. Worse if him never do it to her. Jesus Christ. And she gonna see him eat like that. And lick him finger and suck him finger. That must make she feel disturbed. Because me disturbed watching it myself. And if him have kids, you know, so them get hurt by the whole thing too. You know? It would have come like if somebody rob and kill an innocent person. You gonna rob somebody and kill an innocent person, you know. Remember them dead and gone, you know. But what about the people who would leave behind to grieve, to be in pain, to be in sorrows, all those things? A lot of us don't think about that. So you see, rather than to bring him down, I'm try to help him. You understand? Everybody make mistake. You understand? He makes so much mistake in that video. You understand? Because first of all, he been in uniform. You know? And I think that's the reason why he got fired. Allegedly. Because me hear upon vloggers me hear say him get fired. Allegedly, hear say him get fired. I don't know if it's true. It can be true, it can be lie. But I think that's the reason why he got fired. You know, because everybody knows you're supposed to respect a uniform. Because me remember when I go high school one time and school over me in a bus and me and some girl talk and me stretch out of the bus and I was like, dirty girl, something like that. Me just say, make trouble to the next person at the next bus. And a teacher was passing by. And the teacher said, the teacher saw me. And hear me I say it. You understand? You see them call me in the office and sitting. So them hear me I be inappropriate in a uniform. You see, I just once. I say I don't together. But guess what? Me deny it up until today. You took me I get in trouble. Me say sure. Me say it was me. I didn't say yes, me see you. Me say no, you never see me. Dry eye. No, you never see me. Worse, me never there school and something. Let me just show you. It's all about respecting your uniform. You know? If them they see me do cuss and galang bad, I'm not in a uniform. Him couldn't say nothing to me. Because guess what? Me not dey at school. What could he say to me? Nothing at all. But that's the whole thing. That's the whole thing we're going. I think of the uniform. I don't think it's the fact say because him eat the buff. I think it's the fact that he's in his uniform. I think this is the fact that he was in his uniform. You know? And then him have a wife. That is the second thing. What he keep a wrong in the video. You understand? And then him name it so nasty. The way my dipping finger. What that? It make my stomach sick. I'm not gonna lie. I watch a video and my stomach sick. Like I watch, and when we reach the part, I couldn't watch it out. I swear to God, I don't watch the video, the full video. When me see, oh, it's sick my stomach. I'm being honest. My stomach was sick. My stomach was brutally sick by the way I behave. Because that's when people eat food, they not go and so. I wonder if him did hungry or something, or him never eat nothing. I have to wonder, is it that he did not eat anything or he was hungry? So anyway, guys, hope you guys drop in the comment section down below what's your thoughts on what I just said, and the policeman, if you think he should get back his job, or if you think say it wrong for him eat the buff, you know. Just tell me what are your thoughts on the whole thing. I want to comment. I want to give me an honest answer. I tell you guys how I feel. I know more. I want to tell me how I feel. So bye. It's 2:09 and I'm going to drop this video right now.